Welcome to this video on vocal training. We'll explore the anatomy of the voice to strengthen your voice, expand your range, and enhance your overall vocal control. Vocal training isn't just about hitting the right notes. It's about building confidence, protecting your vocal health, and expressing yourself more powerfully. So, get ready to embark on a journey that will transform the way you use your voice. Let's dive in. Anatomy of the voice. A breakdown. The human voice is a complex instrument, produced through a series of coordinated actions involving various organs and tissues. Here's a breakdown of the key components of the vocal anatomy. Feelings. Function. The lungs supply oxygen to the body and remove carbon dioxide. Role in voice. They provide the airflow necessary to create sound. The diaphragm. Function, a dome-shaped muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. Role in voice. It's the primary muscle used for breathing. When it contracts, it pushes air out of the lungs, creating the airflow needed for vocalization. The function, a tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs. Role in voice. It carries air from the lungs up to the larynx, where it is modified into sound. The larynx voice box. Function, cartilaginous structure located at the top of the trachea. Role in voice. It contains the vocal cords, which vibrate to produce sound. The vocal cords are two bands of muscle tissue that stretch across the larynx. When air passes over them, they vibrate and create sound waves. The tension in the vocal cords can be adjusted to produce different pitches. The pharynx throat. Function, a muscular tube that connects the nasal and oral cavities to the larynx. Role in voice. It acts as a resonator, amplifying and modifying the sound produced by the vocal cords. The oral cavity mouth. Function, the space between the lips and the back of the throat. Role in voice. The shape and position of the tongue, lips, and jaw can be used to articulate different sounds. The nasal cavity nose. Function, the space inside the nose. Role in voice. The nasal cavity can add resonance and nasal quality to certain sounds. The brain. Function, the control center of the body. Role in voice. The brain coordinates the movements of the muscles involved in speech production, including the lungs, diaphragm, larynx, and articulators. In essence, the human voice is a product of the interaction between these various organs and tissues. Thank you so much for joining me in this vocal coaching session. I hope you found the tips and exercises helpful in your journey to becoming a better vocalist. Keep practicing, stay inspired, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. If you enjoyed the session, please give it a like, share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future posts.